The spacing between the doors is very important. To aid with this, a tool has been installed on the unit behind the louver grill. To locate the tool, remove the 2 screws that secure the grill in place, remove the grill, remove the pre-installed T-spacer by removing the 2 screws or undoing the zip tie. Please remember to put the spacer back for future use. Check the spacing in between the doors with the T-spacer. Check both top and the bottom of the doors. If the T-spacer fits too loose or too tight, it's important to note that the left door should be adjusted to correct spacing. Before adjusting the left-hand hinges, we need to make sure the right-hand hinges are tight. First, remove the screw holding the top hinge covers in place. Use a Phillips screwdriver to check that the screws in the top right hinge bracket are tight. Make sure the bottom right-hand hinge is parallel with the side of the cabinet. Using a 3/8 inch socket wrench, make sure the bolts are tight. Once completed, loosen the 2 screws in the rear of the top left hinge bracket. Using a 3/8 inch socket wrench, loosen the bolts slightly in the bottom left of the hinge bracket. Insert T-spacer between the doors. Starting at the top hinge, gently tap the side of the hinge brackets with the mallet to adjust the gap between the doors. Repeat the same procedure at the bottom hinge. With the T still in place, apply pressure to the left side of the left door. Tighten the screws in the top hinge bracket, and then in the bottom hinge bracket. Check to see that the T fits snug between the doors, both top and bottom. The T should not be so tight that it can't be removed easily. If they are loose or too tight, repeat the previous steps. Then remove the T. Reinstall the T back behind the grill for future use.